What is up, guys? It's your boy Andy Arts. How you guys doing? And I've come across some interesting information. The news is kind of like spreading around, but I wanted to talk about this because I know a lot of people have anxiety about artificial intelligence, AI art, and basically, people are afraid of being replaced, especially artists who are already, we could say underpaid in many jobs, and we're not art. A lot of artists are not well respected. However, putting that aside, so it looks like the U.S. Copyright Office has made a very interesting decision on artificial intelligence art, or AI art, AI art generators and all that, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and read the news to you guys. So before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell before we proceed. For future notifications, I'm gonna be releasing art videos, art tutorials, talking about the art community and some tech stuff. Every time I buy some new piece of technology, I'll be sharing it with you guys and reviewing it. Now, so here's what it said. This is actually coming from the Hollywood Reporter. This is where the news broke out. And so here it says, a federal judge on Friday being, that will be August 18 of 2023. A federal judge on Friday upheld a finding from the U.S. Copyright Office that a piece of art created by AI is not open to protection. It says the ruling was delivered in a order turning down Stephen Toller's bid challenging the government's position refusing to register works made by AI copyright law. It has never stretched so far to protect works generated by new forms of technology operating absent any guiding human hand. U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell has found. This is what they have found. It is what they decided. So I don't know who this lady is, Miss Judge Beryl Howell, but yes, great. This is absolutely great. And it continues on. It says, in the absence of any human involvement in the creation of the work, the clear and straightforward answer is the one given by the register, which is no. And Ms. Beryl Howell, that's what she wrote. The judge, this is the judge from the U.S. District, from the U.S. Copyright Office. This is what the judge said. Now, they continue on and say, U.S. copyright law, she underscored, says the U.S. copyright law protects only works of human creation and is designed to adapt with times. There's been a consistent understanding that human creativity is at the core of copyrightability, even as the human creativity is channeled through new tools or into new media. The ruling stated. It says, human involvement in and ultimately creative control over the work at issue was key to the conclusion that the new type of work fell within the bounds of copyright, Ms. Gerald Howell wrote. So these are the judges. The judges, this is their word. And whatever they say goes, man. So a lot of these AI art, I don't really consider them artists. AI art generators or whatever. They're not real artists. The machines are artists. But they try to, there's a lot of hypocrisy because they try to protect their prompts, the little commands that they entered into the AI art generator. They try to protect those prompts as something that belongs to them. But when it comes to the artists, they don't think that we have the right to copyright, that they can just take our work copyrighted and just spin it and that's it. So here it is, karma, baby. Oh man. So I'm really happy. I'm really happy about this because, AI art is, some machine is creating it. And there's no human behind it. It's the same thing with, I guess, like autonomous cars. You have a car driving itself in the street with no human behind the wheel, no human, guiding it. So it's just, something has to be done about artificial intelligence. Something has to be done. There's got to be some regulation because we cannot have it just completely replace people, And in this case, a lot of in the people that are mainly pushing for this is, corporations, basically Hollywood, because they don't want to pay artists. They just want a machine to create the art, and then they'll have one or two artists, edit the artwork and, pay them a couple of pennies, and that's it. They just want everything to be cheap, And if you can't afford something, then just don't create what you're trying to create, because we can't just play humans. We cannot replace humans with everything. You cannot use machines to just replace humans with everything. We need human interaction. That is our nature. And I went on a bit of a rant here, but I'm just really happy that the judges passed this rule. So just to make it clear, there hasn't been any confirmation that a law has been passed down. No law has been passed down yet. This is just the United States Copyright Office. So until an actual law is passed, until some kind of regulation is put on artificial intelligence, for now, this is actually pretty good news. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Tell me what you think. Make sure to comment below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for future notifications. I'll be updating you guys on more of this stuff in the art world. So this is your boy Andy Arts. Have a good night.